Okay. All right. We are here with John. First of all, happy Labor Day weekend to you, and most of all, happy birthday.
Thank you.
So
I'm
we got
excited.
all right. So we got our Lexus here. It wasn't too bad, and I think it turned out really good. John, you ready to see your headlight fixer-upper?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do this.
All right.
You
Oh my gosh. That looks like brand new.
It does look like brand new.
Wow. Man, you weren't kidding.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow.
Yeah. There's a little.
That looks really good. Thank you, Greg.
Yeah.
My wife is going to love this. I mean, that looks like,
Oh, that's right. This is the wife's car.
yeah, it looks brand new, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. Man, this is worth the wait.
Yeah, and I really appreciate you doing that. You know, just the heat just gets me, so I appreciate your patience on that.
Absolutely.
So,
Well, we'll definitely be calling you back for the next headlights.
yeah,
I sure appreciate it, man.
yeah.
Oh
So,
my gosh, that looks so good.
um,
Man, thank you, Greg.
so
Thank you.
well, I'm gonna go ahead and obviously you're happy and good to go.
Yeah, I'm very happy.
All right,
Very grateful. Thank
sweet.
you.
Happy birthday again, and you bet.
I appreciate it, man.
All right, we're signing off.
All right.